You ever wonder how 3D printing works? So do I. Let's find out. How does a 3D printer work?
Well, the first thing it's going to do is print out a thin line in the front, which is like a test line. It lets you know that the extruder, which is the piece that the plastic comes out from, is working properly. This printer uses ABS plastic. There's a whole bunch of different types of filament. The two main ones are ABS and PLA. PLA is like a recyclable, biodegradable, super eco-friendly plastic, and ABS, which I'm using, is what Legos are made of. The little raft on the bottom is so that whatever you print out sticks to the plate and doesn't get pulled off due to heat expansion and heat shrinkage. As the temperature changes, that affects the print greatly. This is not something that you just push a button and it's going to print out every time. You really got to monitor it. You got to set the temperatures correctly. You got to make sure the build plate is level, and a whole bunch of other things that are involved. What do I print it from?
Yeah. I mean, like, the software, do you create the modeling and everything?
When I want to create a model, I will use Google SketchUp, and from there I can put out an easy to make 3D file that it can print out, or there's a whole bunch of different modeling softwares that you can use. There's 123D, which is by the people that make AutoCAD. You can use AutoCAD itself. You can use SolidWorks. You can use Maya. You can use 3D Max. You just gotta make sure you export it to the right file type, and then export that to a slicer, which is a separate program that the 3D machines use, the 3D printers use, to do it layer by layer by layer. Alright, if you look over here, this is what I'm printing over there. And it's a little plug for a herbal grinder, much like a black pepper grinder or something like that. And what you'll do is you'll take the 3D model from here, export it, and you can make a file that can be 3D printed. You can even preview it like this and see each layer that's going to print out, slice by slice. Alright, so our piece is done. It's been 16 minutes for just a small little plug.